Dear everyone, today we finished a very important milestone or milestones for Lightnovo. Our miniRaman Pro device is ready for field deployment. It is device which is IP67 certified. Basically, if it's contaminated, you can fully wash it in water, in ethanol, and then put this cover back and continue working with it. Software, very important. We don't just have libraries here. We have auto exposure, ambient light correction, vial correction. So whatever materials you measure through the vial, through the plastic, at daylight, it will do everything for you. You don't need to worry about anything. How it works? Let's say there is something in the vial. I press the button, I put it here, closer, yes, to the device, the sample. And I press, you see it's quite noisy, and I press scan, and it tells me paracetamol. And we can see the match and the library spectrum. But look how actually it looks. It's really hard to see paracetamol here. After the scan, it works, 94% and comparison. Let's try other samples at such a challenging conditions. So glucose, yes, through the glass. First of all, glass is a challenge, yes. Second of all, glucose is low scatter and daylight is present here. So after the measurement, we will see the result. Glucose, 94% correlation, and that's the result. But look, library and measured spectrum is a great match, but in the real life, it looks like that. So it's very hard to recognize glucose in it. Okay, let's try something else. That's supposed to be acetyl salicylic acid. Okay, we do it like that. It's more easier target, but it's still a daylight presence. What is happening now, you can see this is without laser, with laser, and after that we see it like that. Way big difference from the raw spectrum which you see here, yes? Okay, let's try some other materials in the plastic bags. This is supposed to be nitrofurantoin, yes, so we just touch it like that. And this is an easy sample. Okay, so we're not gonna spend too much time on it. Let's try something else. It's a mineral, yes, so we just touch it, and it's challenging. It doesn't identify, but after measurement, let's see, smoky quartz, yes, and this is library spectrum and measured. Such a huge difference from there, yes, but it can do the job. Okay, something else in the vial. It's an oil, yes. For the oil, let's say, you can do measurement like that, of course, yes, and it will try to identify it. Let's try olive oil, yes, olive oil. But of course, for such samples, because this is approximately 1 millimeter focal distance, it measures glass and it subtracts glass. However, you can do it even more like that if you want. Then it's much easier. It can see it just like that as well. Okay, let's try something else, another peel. About this one, it's quite easy. But anyway, I can make it more challenging, yes, so it doesn't identify it. Let's say this is very hard task to identify. Let's try unknown pill, ibuprofen. It was quite challenging. An unknown pill, it's our library bug. It's actually ibuprofen in it. So, but this is how it looks, ibuprofen, and if without it, it looks like that, almost impossible to recognize. Okay, maybe a few more, some liquids. Liquids are very easy, but anyway, usually you don't see it those that easy, yes? Who can it be? Let's try chloroform, you saw on quick ID, but after full ID, it's very clean spectrum, and daylight is almost 100% removed from it. Maybe some low scatter, yes, like methanol. Let's try to do that. Yeah, we can see it. I will make it more challenging, so a little bit more light coming in. Let's try it. So it works against glass and against daylight, and now we see it like that. Probably it's enough for the demonstration, and thanks a lot for your attention. We are very much encourage operators and people who need to do material identification or data management in the field to contact us and try our new device. By the way, everything that was collected here can be uploaded on cloud as soon as it's connected to the internet through the smartphone. That feature is also available today. Thanks a lot for your attention, and follow us for the new updates.